Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Emma Christina was born on July 1, 1991 in Stockholm, Sweden. She is currently 31 years old. Her astrological sign is Gemini. Emma Christina stands 5 feet 3 inches tall or 160 centimeters, body type, curvy. She has a beautiful brown hair and green eyes color. Marital status, single. Nationality, Swedish. Emma Christina was born and raised in Sweden. She is based in Cape Town, South Africa. The self-described thickfluencer rose to fame through Instagram. She has attracted more than 633,000 followers to her eponymous Instagram account. Emma calls herself Plant Mommy and has branded herself as such in the social media. Emma Christina loves plants, animals, and exploring new and unfamiliar areas. Emma Christina has partnered with some top fashion brands like Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova Curve, and many more. She is currently a brand ambassador for Fashion Nova Curve.